Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start chapter number 14, name mensuration area. First of all, what is mensuration? Mensuration mean measurement. Mean to say, if we measure anything, that will be called mensuration. So in this chapter we will measure the area. First of all, we have to know what is area. Area is the amount of space covered by a surface. Mean to say, any surface that covered any space, that will be called area. Area has many units, that can be centimeter square or meter square or millimeter square. There are many length units that will be multiplied 2 times. So simply, what is area? Area is amount of space covered by a surface. Any surface that covered space, that will be area. To find area and some other important dimensions like perimeter, there are 5 formulas. First formula is area of square. Area of square is side multiply side, because square has all 4 sides same. So if we multiply 2 sides, that will be equal to area of square. And next, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth, because rectangle has length and also breadth. If we multiply length with breadth, that will be equal to area of rectangle. Next one is perimeter. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. Mean to say, total length. Total length of square is perimeter. So if we multiply 4 with any side, because all sides are same, that will be equal to perimeter of square. And perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. If we add length and breadth and multiply with 2, that will be equal to perimeter of rectangle, mean to say total length of rectangle. And next one, fifth formula is for finding cost of anything. If we want to find cost of anything, we will multiply area with rate. Rate will be given when we will multiply rate with area with same units, that will be equal to the cost. Now we are going to start exercise number 14b. Question number 1 is written as, find the area of following rectangular fields whose dimensions are given. Mean to say, length and breadth are given. We have to find the area. We know the area of rectangle as area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. So we will put the values. Length is 5 meter in third part and breadth is 3.5 meter. In this part, length was 5 meter and breadth was 3.5 meter. 5 multiply 3.5. We will multiply in rough work. 3.5 multiply 5. 5 5 the 25. 2 will be there. 5 3 the 15 and 2 17. The decimal point will be after a one digit. So after one digit decimal point is this. So the area of rectangle will be equal to 17.5 meter square. And in next part, length is equal to 4.5 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. First of all, we will write length as 4.5 meter and breadth as 2 meter 25 centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and this is 2 meter and there is 25 centimeter. To convert centimeter into meter, because we will take same units that will be used. There is meter, there is centimeter. We will use the same units to solve the question. So this is 2 meter 25 centimeter. We will change in rough work. 2 meter 25 centimeter is equal to 2m plus, to change centimeter into meter we will divide by 100. 25 by 100, that will be equal to meter. 2 meter plus, when 25 will be divided with 100, the answer will be 0.25, because we know when any number is divided by any digit having zeros and 1, we can get answers in simple way. We will write this 2 and 5 and decimal point will be after 1 2 3. This, there will be this one, there will be point. So there is 1 in third number, so after two digit third point, third value will be decimal point. There is 5 and 2, there will be third value point. Simply 25 divided by 100 is equal to 0.25. Totally that is equal to 2.25 meter, because 2 meter and 0.25 meter is equal to 2.25 meter. So we can write there 2.25 meter. Now as area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth, length is 4.5 meter and breadth is 2.25 meter. We will multiply these two. 2.25 multiply by 4.5. Rough work. 5 5 the 25, there will be 2. 5 2 the 10 and 2 12. 5 2 the 10 and 1 11. 4 5 the 20, there will be 2. 4 2 the 8 and 2 10. 4 2 the 8 or 1 9. 5 2 1 1 and 9 10. Decimal point will be after 3 digit 1 2 3. We will count from this side, right side of decimal point 1 2, and also in this value right side of decimal point. So there is 1 digit, there are 2 digits. Totally the decimal point will be placed after 3 digits 1 2 3 mean to say answer is 10.125 meter square. Meter is multiplying with meter. So this was the answer. This was our today's topic. The part of question number 1, part 1 and 2 will be homework. So you should revise it and practice it. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.